MedReleaf Cube Grinder. The Cube 2.0 cannabis grinder, designed and developed by MedMar Canada. The Cube 2.0 MedReleaf cannabis grinder is a great way to shred your cannabis. The square-shaped design means the grinder will never get stuck. The teeth on the Cube 2.0 are designed to deliver two different consistencies, one that's ideal for vaping and the other for rolling. Turn the grinder in a clockwise direction to grind cannabis for vaping. Turn the grinder in a counterclockwise direction for rolling. MedReleaf is offering compassionate pricing on the Cube 2.0, available for only $30. Buy yours today.